Hey Blipsounds, it's Brian Seeley back for the June monthly sound design competition. June is also E3, which stands for Electronic Entertainment Expo. It's an annual celebration of video games that takes place in Los Angeles. And there, all the big developers come out and announce all the new games that they're working on and the new systems that they're developing. And it's a chance for press and for fans alike to come and to celebrate everything that's happened with video games and everything that will happen. So in honor of that, we want to celebrate video games as well. And this time around, we're going to do a classic video game, but we're going to put a twist on it. We're going to make it sound like a modern video game. So we've decided to go with Chrono Trigger, and specifically we will be doing the Arc Impulse, or otherwise known as the Frost Arc, which is an ice move. It's a triple tech and requires 3 characters to use. You can see that video now. So there's a lot going on with that video, and it's okay. The most important thing is to pay attention to what's happening and to make sure you're looking at all the builds and releases, asking yourself what's going on, and also how would you make it epic. So like I said, there's a lot going on. Just take your time and break the move down to its most basic elements. Now, how would you make it sound cohesive, but also how would you make it sound modern, and how would you make it sound epic? Like always, this is a chance to put on your creative goggles and go as crazy as possible. And I do want to see absolute crazy. Think your favorite AAA summer blockbuster title and make it sound like that. Go all out. We're going to start June 1st and we're going to run all the way to Monday, June 24th, ending at 11:59 p.m. or June 25th, 3:59 a.m. UTC time. As always, you need to be involved in making all of these sounds, nothing from any pre-recorded libraries or anything like that. When you include your submission, make sure that you have a Google Doc with links to all of your sounds in them. After you finish making your video, load it up to YouTube, and then go to blipsounds.com/competition, where you will be able to upload your link and enter. And also, as always with this competition, we will be judging it and selecting our top 5 favorites, as well as a winner who will win a free month of the game audio training series. To learn more about that, check out blipsounds.com. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube or on social media and you are not a part of our Discord channel, we really recommend you come and join us. There should be a link down below or somewhere around here to our Discord. It's an open invite and we'd love to have you join us. It's full of professional sound designers as well as hobbyists and all those who are just interested in video game sound design as well as composition. I hope you guys have a lot of fun. I'm really excited to see what you guys make with this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ping me or any of the other mods on Discord, and we will be more than happy to answer your questions. I hope you guys have a great June. For those of you in the southern US, I hope you stay warm, or I hope you stay cool, so maybe doing this ice move will help a little bit. Probably not, but it's a nice wish. So I hope you guys have a great June, and peace out.